Purloin is a verb that means to steal something, often in a sneaky or dishonest way. It typically implies a sense of stealth or cunning in the act of taking. Origins: the word derives from the Old French purloigner, meaning to put far away or remove, which comes from Latin pro, forward, and longus, long. It has been used in English since the late Middle Ages. Explanation and usage: purloin is often used in formal or literary contexts to describe acts of theft, especially when they involve deceit or stealth rather than outright force. Example sentences: the spy managed to purloin confidential documents without being detected. Someone had purloined the antique necklace from the display case. But cultural significance: the term frequently appears in mystery, espionage, and historical literature, emphasizing the sly or secretive nature of theft. Its slightly archaic tone lends an air of sophistication to the description of a crime. Synonyms: pilfer, to steal small items or amounts; filch, to steal something in a casual or sneaky way; appropriate, to take something for one's own use, often without permission. Antonyms: return, to give back something taken; restore, to bring something back to its original owner or state; bequeath, to give or pass on, typically as a gift or inheritance. Key takeaway: purloin is a sophisticated term for theft, often associated with stealth and cunning. It conveys the act of taking something unlawfully while avoiding detection. Subscribe